Welcome! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your LinkedIn last name on your PC using the latest update. Whether you've recently changed your name or just want to keep your profile up to date, this quick tutorial will have you covered. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or a small icon labeled Me. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. Next, look for the section called Account Preferences. Under this category, you'll find an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see fields where you can edit your personal details. Focus on the last name field. Click inside the box and type your new last name exactly as you want it to appear on your profile. After entering your new last name, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located right below the fields you just edited. Click it, and your LinkedIn profile will update with your new last name instantly. And that's it. Changing your last name on LinkedIn using your PC is straightforward with this new update. Just remember to double-check your spelling before saving, so your profile looks professional and accurate. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. See you next time.